back to License Ready with Ollie, the channel that helps foreign trained professionals navigate Canadians' licensing process with confidence. Congratulations! You have passed the NDAEB exams, the written and the clinical practice evaluation. Celebrate yourself. Why? Because you deserve it. We have to learn to celebrate every win while we are navigating this process. Today, we're going to talk about how you get the provincial license after passing the NDAEB exams. Today, we'll be focusing on British Columbia. This video is your roadmap to getting your CDA provincial certification without unnecessary delays. Passing the NDAEB is great, but in BC, you still need one more step for provincial certification.
The very first step is to go to the British Columbia College of Oral Health Professionals website. When you get to the website, you click on registration and certification. You select registration and then for certified dental assistants. It takes you to a new window where you select first time application. Click on register. This window shows certification assessment. For those coming from outside of BC, they will need to complete a certification assessment to determine eligibility before proceeding to certification application. Because you're an internationally trained dental professional, you click on coming from another country. You scroll down and here you find a statement that says graduates of dental assisting program in the United States and or internationally trained dental healthcare professionals who have National Dental Assisting Examination Board certification may be eligible for BCCOHP certification pending an assessment of your credential. Please complete and submit the CDA assessment application package. You download the PDF. It takes you to this page. This PDF is a 7-page document. Page 1 talks about assessment fee, a non-refundable $100 assessment fee. You indicate how you would like to pay by checking off the appropriate box below, by credit card or by money order. Make sure you fill this form appropriately. When you scroll down, the form contains a checklist on page 2 and page 3. On page 3, it contains the checklist for internationally trained dental professionals. Think of the checklist like flossing. You skip it and you may regret it later. You answer all questions on the assessment application and you sign it. You complete and endorse the quality assurance form. Include a notarized or certified copy of your dental assisting, dental hygiene if you're a foreign trained hygienist, or dental degree, diploma, or certificate if you're a foreign trained dentist. Include a copy of your current license, certificate, or registration from anywhere where you have practiced. Include a notarized or certified copy of your NDAEB certificate. Include a notarized or certified copy of your clinical practice evaluation, your CPE results. Include a copy of your name change document if your current name is different from the one on your credentials. Pay the assessment fee. Payment is made online through an encrypted email. Link will be sent after you submit the documents. Page 4 and 5 are the main application form. You fill out this application form with your personal details and everything that applies. That is page 4 and then page 5. Don't forget to sign and date. We also have page 6, which is the quality assurance form. You read through the form and then you fill out as needed. Page 7 is the Commissioner for Oath Information sheet. It is the final page for the CDA assessment form.
You will also need a certification of good standing from the dental governing body in every country where you practice. It expires just after 30 days and it must be sent directly by the governing body, both in soft copy and hard copy, on your behalf. The BCCOHP will not accept documents sent directly by the applicant in terms of the certificate of good standing. So think of it like sending a crown impression to the lab. It has to go through the right channels. You will need a police clearance or police character certificate from Canada and from your home country, plus a criminal record check through the BC's Criminal Records Review Program. The college will give you instructions for this step.
If you did not graduate from an accredited Canadian program, or if you're transferring from another province into British Columbia, the BCCOHP may require you to prove you've been taught, assessed, and are competent in these 5 additional restricted skills: suture removal, periodontal dressing removal, retraction cord removal, pulp vitality testing, and coronal whitening.
Once your package is complete, submit it to the BCCOHP. They will send you a secure payment link for the assessment fee. And after review, you'll be entered into the register. That's when you officially use the title Certified Dental Assistant in British Columbia. We are making progress. So passing the NDAEB is just the first step. With your application package, required documents, and extra skills assessment ready, you can move smoothly into provincial certification. Plan ahead, follow the checklists, and you'll be working legally as a CDA in BC before you know it. No extractions of extra time needed. If you found this breakdown helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more step-by-step guides like this. And remember, stay focused, stay prepared, and stay license ready with Ollie. See you in my next video.